Hello, this is Evangelist Dr. Robert L. McKim Sr. from Carrollton, Ohio. This is April the 9th, 2012. Is it April? 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 Looks like we're having a mini blizzard, people, in April. A mini blizzard in April, people. You know, snowstorm, whatever you want to call it. But the wind's been blowing all night. It's been snowing all night long. And we, well, have more snow than what we had last night when I had to get out here to sweep off some snow on my satellite dish. But see how it's snowing, blowing? See how it's blowing? See how it's coming down so hard and blowing? Almost sideways. To me, it's just like a mini blizzard in April. What? A mini blizzard in April in Ohio. Come on now, people. God's trying to tell us something. What the weather. But are you listening? Are you listening? I'm listening. But a lot of you LGBT people, let me tell you something. God is not happy with you. God might love you, but He is not happy with your sins. And He will not allow your sins to continue very much longer. I'm not apologizing for being who God made me to be. I'm not apologizing for standing on His word. His entire word. He said homosexuality is an abomination. Period. He has not changed. My cat wants me to come in. She's pounding on the door here. I'm coming in, I'm coming in. I know it's cold out there, it's snowing. Long story short. It is real nasty. Here's the weather forecast.
We're calling for a 67-degree high. Andre was telling me that yesterday. I decided not to go against what he said.
I believe Andre.
Because he's a man. And if anything goes awry...
Andre Bernier of Fox 8 News in Cleveland. He is also an ordained minister. Wayne Dawson, he's also a Baptist ordained minister. And he's licensed to solemnize marriages. Why don't you ask him and attack him? Let me tell you something. You attack him, then you got the full force of Fox 8 News on you. If he says no to same-sex wedding. He's done many weddings on Fox 8. They would host weddings for some lucky winners occasionally, and he would perform the wedding. It is a mess out there today in Ohio. So if you don't have to go anywhere, don't go anywhere. Long story short, like I said, God is trying to tell us something. Wake up, get your heads out of the sand. He is not happy with the LGBT community. He is not happy with you. He is angry with you for what you're doing to me and what you're doing to Pastor Paul Begley and the other ministers and pastors that you're attacking. God's got your number. And I don't mean your phone number. He's writing everything down. Well, not you, but an angel is writing everything down in the book of remembrance. There are two books, a book of remembrance and the book of life. Let me tell you something. Everything that you do, that you're doing to me and other pastors and ministers is going right into the book of remembrance. So God, when the time comes and you're before the great white throne of God, God opens up that book of remembrance and tells everything that you have done wrong. So think about it. God bless you. Stay warm. Stay dry if you're in Ohio. Don't go anywhere. It's nasty out there. God bless you. Have a blessed day.